Welcome to my channel Sankhya Tattva. I'm Momita Banerjee, numerologist and life coach. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit on the bell icon so that you can be notified on my upcoming videos. And share this video with your friends, family so that everybody can be benefited out of it. I'm making a series of videos where in each video I'm going to talk about each driver number from 1 to 9. I have started that from my last video. In my last video, I have talked about driver number 3, which is popularly known as Mulan 3. And today, the video is going to be about driver number 5. It is considered to be the best number in the world. I'm going to talk about its strength, weakness, its profession, and the traits the people carry, how do you identify them, and all those details. And let's say if you take a random 100 date of births and calculate the driver and conductor number, only 5 to 10% or max 15% of the people will have the driver number or the conductor number 5. That means these people are rare people. Not everybody you can find the driver number 5 or conductor 5. If you have this number in your birth chart, then it's very good and it gives you the strength in your life. Even if you don't have this number from your driver conductor, even if you have it from month, let's say somebody is born on month of May or maybe from Kua number, then also it's very good. It need not to have it from your driver conductor per se. It is the number of balance. It is the number of communication. How it gives you balance? I'll give you an example. If you see on the Losho grid, see the position of number 5. It is sitting in the middle of the Losho grid. So it creates that balance, that harmony in the Losho grid. And if you see the distance from each number is same. Same thing it gives you in your life. Let's say whenever you consult any Vastu professional who comes and ideate you where to keep what, the direction, there's one location, one position in your house, which is the most important position. Yes, this is the Brahmastan. You cannot fiddle around with this position. Exactly the same balance, the same aura, or the same energy, the same strength 5 gives you in your life. It works as a Brahmastan, it works as a center of gravity in your life. It balances your life. Hardly if you see any people who are having driver, conductor 5 and having challenges in life. They will have challenges, but comparatively much lesser. If you have any 5 number in your family, then your family will never face financial challenges. He or she will make his or her own way. They will figure out how to make things happen. It is also the number of opportunity. It is the number of communication. By this I want to mean these people earn money from their communication skill. Let's say they can be a motivator, motivational speaker, they can be a lecturer, they can be they basically earn from their speech. So whenever you're talking, whenever you're advising somebody, please be very careful with your speech. If you disrupt that, you will have a setback on this. So be very careful whenever you're communicating, whenever you communicate. So this is the number of more or less number 5. If you're a business owner, then and if you have an employee who's having number 5, who's having driver number 5, then I would say put him or her into marketing or sales job. They can sell anything and everything because they're the number of communication. They communicate very well. So your sales and business will be doubled, tripled. Driver number 5 people, that means they are born on 5th, 14th and 23rd of the month and being ruled by the planet called Mercury. Mercury is a fast moving planet and so the character of these people, and that becomes sometimes their weaknesses. By this I want to mean they take decisions very fast. They take decision on spot. They see an idea, see a business idea, get into a contract with their partners. Immediately they sign the paper and they face losses. So advisable for these people, don't take decision on spot. Come back, think over it, get an expert opinion, get it checked, all the documents by a professional, then take a decision, then invest money on the business or the business deal you are looking for. And the biggest strength of these people are they don't have any enemy. Again, the same logic is applicable. It's sitting in the middle of the Losho grid. It has the equal distance from all the numbers, and so the friendship. They keep equal friendship with all the numbers, and that's their biggest strength. Metaphorically, if you ask me, these people have the aura of a prince. The energy of a prince will be the next heir of the kingdom. And who will hate prince? Nobody, right? So that's why these people are being loved by everybody. But the best fit for these people are number 6, ruled by Venus, which is again luxury, name, fame. So they like them very much. So if you're driver number 5, look for a partner who's having driver 6. It's advisable for these people, please respect the transgender people of the society. Why? Because it's been observed that 5 people, since they are balanced people, they have the characteristic of male and female both. They are very balanced people. So whenever I give any remedy, so there's a logic behind that, why it is being followed. Also, additionally, you can use more and more green color. This is for both who's having 5, not having 5, because I think green color is associated with driver number 5, so it doesn't have also any enemy. So advisable, you use more and more green color, eat more and more green vegetables, green pen you can use, green ink pen you can use, and so on. That's all for today. Hope you liked the content. Please comment me about your opinion on the video. In my next video, I'll come up with some other driver number. Till then, take very good care of yourself. Namaste.